Hello, this is Amrit Palkar once again, and as you all know that we have started a speaking series in which we are actually discussing the ideas related to different QCA topics, and so far we have done with 5 different topics. Now, before starting the 6th one, I would like to tell the new visitor that this channel is particularly for the IELTS aspirants, and there are a number of videos related to different IELTS modules. And yeah, I also do predictions for the final IELTS exam, and so far every prediction has gone right, and I just hope the same for the next, even though I cannot guarantee the same because future is always unpredictable, and I hope that everyone does understand the same. So let's start the next topic. The next topic is talk about a natural talent like sports or a music. So the thing here is that natural talent means something which is in you by nature or by birth, or somehow you acquire that particular talent. But when it comes to music and sports, then people are generally gifted with these talents by genes, and these two talents are generally considered the toughest, because it doesn't mean that nobody can be good or perfectionist with the music or sports. Anybody can with the hard work, but sometimes you are just God gifted with the same, even though it may or may not be in your genes. Okay, so there are a number of ideas about from sports and music. Like you can say that I am a good artist or a good teacher or a good motivator or public speaker, or I am blessed with good mathematical skills, so I think that I have a mathematical talent. So there are a number of things. Just try to figure it out and explain same. So for example, the students who are like me, who really have a good teaching talent, they can actually speak about the same. Okay, so it doesn't mean that if you are a student you cannot have a teaching skill. Even though you can have a teaching skill, for example, you can explain that you generally help your classmates, and I think that you think that you have ability, you have talent to teach, to help other students in a easier way, in the more common way, so that everyone can understand. So this is how a student as well as a professional can explain the talent which is in you naturally. Okay, so starting could be like anything. For example, although people have different type of talents, but I think for me it's teaching, and I think that I feel very blessed that I am a good teacher, because whenever I teach something to others, I feel very good. I feel that I have solved a problem of someone's life, because people generally struggle with different subjects. And the next thing I am thankful to God is that I am really good with maths. So whenever I teach maths to students in different ways, like I tell them that what is the formula and why we are learning that formula, how this formula is going to help in our daily life. So that is, I think, the best way. And because of that talent, because of my skills, that I can compare a formula with real life, I can help any weak student, any weak peer to score good in the maths. And same happened when I was in my 12th standard. So actually at that time, one of my best friends was actually struggling to score even 33. So he came to me, and when he asked for help, I lent my hand. So what we did, that I called him at my home and I used to teach him after my tuitions. So it was really very good. He used to stay at my home. So with day-night efforts, we both were able to grasp the mathematical concepts more deeply. So because of him, because I started teaching him, I was able to score 100 by 100 and he was able to score 60% in maths. And I know that, even he knows that. He used to be a student who used to score only 33, mere a pass, but now he scored, at the time he scored 60%. So that was really fabulous for him. And it was not like the best moment for him or I, but also for the families. And basically he is actually from my relative, so he is cousin, but we both were really happy. And today as well, so far he is really thankful to me. And after that, I think he had also developed interest in maths. So I think that I have that particular talent. I am really thankful to God. So there are many different people who have different type of talents. It's just there's need to recognize the same, and that's it. Okay, so this is an example cue card. You can make like this, or if you think that this is good example, you can prepare the same as well. But I always suggest that you must try something true, try something natural. And it's really true for me. And I think I am really good, and I have good, and I'm blessed to teach. I really have ability to teach students tough things in an easier way. So I just hope that you all have good talents, and you just need to recognize and you can speak about that talent. It could be anything. Okay, so all the very best. I hope that you all are getting benefits, and I would also like to say you that you must share these samples with your friends who are in need. Okay, and if you need any help, you can comment your question.